Y'all, look at the score. I just came back. Sure, at the beginning, I'm gonna be eating tonight. Right in the gutter. Right in the gutter. What's good, y'all? Right now, I'm on the way to a photo shoot. You know what I'm saying? With this brand. It's called Vier. I think it's called Vier. I'm pretty sure it's pronounced Vier. But I'm finna go here and shoot for this brand. I've been trying to shoot with them for a long while, or at least work with them in any way, shape, or form. Basically, because I knew about them for a long time, probably about 3-4 years before I started really like locking in with this. So I was like, man, I want to work with them, bro. You feel me? And I'm not gonna lie, I like their clothes a lot more than I used to. So, cause they came out with some better stuff for real. So I'm about to go work with them, shoot with them. I drove an hour and 20 minutes. I should be there in 20 minutes. I've already driven an hour. So I'm finna stop by and just shoot. But this video, this is not a vlog. I just want to talk about why I would never move back to my hometown. Like, now that I'm here and I visited, I'm like, yeah, I wouldn't come back here. Like, I wouldn't move back here for good. Like, I like it. I definitely don't like it in the wintertime. I would never move back here and stay here over the wintertime by choice. Never. Hold on, y'all. Let me see something. Yeah, but like I said, nah, never move back here and stay here in the wintertime. First of all, it's too cold and it's ugly. I ain't gonna cap. Like, look, it's like hideous out here. So, nah, I'm good off that part. But other than that, I love the people. That's probably the only thing I really like about here is the people. Outside of that, no, bro. It's just like, I don't know. It's too small. Like, it ain't really nothing to do. Like, I'm here on vacation. Technically, vacation. Usually when you go somewhere on vacation, you want to have some shit to do. Nigga, there ain't nothing to do out there, motherfucker, but the same old, same old. What you want to do? Go to the mall? What you want to do? Go out to eat? Go out to eat. What you want to do? Go to a football game? A basketball game? So I've done all of that. What you want to do? Go to the harbor? The wharf? Like, what is it to do, bro? Like, the club? I'm not trying to go to no club, nigga. What are we about to go do? So, like, that's one of the main reasons. Like, I can't be somewhere where ain't nothing to do, bro. Ain't nothing to do but work. Like, if you just a workaholic and you making your bread here and you like to travel from time to time, I can see that being like a thing. I can see that being a thing. Like, I ain't even talking about those type of people. Just doing that. But to live here, I can't do that. Damn, this traffic, bro. Another thing about here that it's cool, but it ain't really worth nothing. It's like the traffic ain't that bad. Like, it can still get bad because it's only like one. Like, the highway is the highway. You can't get on another highway or take no back road streets to get where you trying to go to in a timely manner. Like, it's not gonna happen. You take that highway and that's that. Whatever time it give you on your GPS, it's about it right there. Like, ain't no, you feel me? And then also, I feel like I have a new perspective on shit, life in general. Like, I'm currently, since I've been here, I kind of been reflecting on how I felt before I left. And I'm thinking like, dang, I literally ain't had no money when I was out. Like, nigga, when I tell y'all I ain't had no money, I had enough of my car note every month. That's about it. I had enough of my car note every month. I was trying to figure out how I was going to make money every month. How I'm going to eat. Like, that was what I was worried about. Now I'm here on vacation. I could go to the mall and go buy some clothes if I wanted to. I can go here and do that, do this and do that if I wanted to. I can go have fun. And it's crazy because I got it. So if I was still here and I ended up getting some bread to like play around with, it still wouldn't be shit to do. It still wouldn't be nothing to do. Like, say I wanted to go spend some money, nigga, ain't nothing to do. Ain't nothing to do. So yeah, I'm still like processing everything, but like I'm formulating my thoughts and stuff like that. But for the most part, man, ain't shit here to do at all. We got down low fuel in it bit. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about. I'm not gonna lie. I got my camera with me, so I'm gonna vlog with my camera. Y'all probably won't see them vlogs in for a little minute. I ain't gonna cap. A little minute till I get back home. So that New Year type shit, New Year action. But yeah, ain't shit to do out here, bro. Things I do want to do out here though is work. I'm trying to get some work in. Whoever trying to shoot, that's what I'm trying to do. Anybody who want to shoot, that's what I'm trying to do. But yeah, bro, I also don't have no jackets, bro. Like, I've been wearing the same jackets. I know niggas probably think I'm wearing the same clothes. I'm not gonna lie, right now I'm wearing the same clothes I wore when I first got here. I'm wearing my little IHP pants, these 2 jackets, and I'm finna throw back on the thermal I had on. I washed everything, so I'm like, shit, I might as well throw this shit back on. And I want to take pictures in it too. That's partially the reason why I'm wearing it again. But I'm thinking to myself, nigga, do I even want to use this fit out here, bro? Like, no, this shit ugly. I might have to go to DC with it. Another thing that probably y'all probably won't even catch on, but like, the sun looks different out here, bro. Like the light looks different. Y'all not gonna notice it. Like, I don't know. It look a little different to me though. It look like flat. And then I feel like LA lighting is a little more harsh. Feel me? I don't know if that makes too much sense, but yeah. But yeah, I was out the other night too, and I was just thinking to myself, man, I do not miss this weather. Right now it's 32 degrees during the daytime. So it was probably like 20 degrees during the nighttime that day. Cold out that motherfucker, like, nah, no. I ain't gonna cap. Once I get a whole bunch of bread, bro, I'm doing it like this. Cause I fuck with the East Coast for real. Like, I really do. I just don't fuck with the cold, bro. So I might do like New York lease. Live in New York, lease 6 months. And then come back to the West Coast for the other 6 months. The winter time and shit like that. I feel like that make perfect sense, bro. Why not? This shit trash. We'll just buy some property. That's what I really need to do. I really need to run up some bags so I can buy some property. But yeah, man, I'm just yapping. I'm not gonna lie. I just need to make a video. Yeah, bro, we gotta make videos every day. I kind of been having like a creative block, and I didn't think it'd come to this, but I have a creative block right now, mainly because it's just a lot going on. And then also, it might be my environment. I don't know. But I have a creative block. I can't think of videos to make. And usually I be having videos on top of videos on top of videos to make. I'm like, yo, I want to talk about this. Y'all want to talk about this. I want to talk about this. Feel me? So, we're going to figure it out, though. We're going to log back in and shit like that. I could just start doing little mini vlogs instead. But I'm like, bro, I want to yap. I like to yap. Maybe I can yap about certain topics and shit like that. Travis Hunter, feel me? That's a cool one, right? I don't know. But I'm gonna end this video right here. It's your boy Car Green signing out. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one. This video ain't me talking about shit for real.